guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, Soniya Miracle Chand, and a Makhi was annoying me today. But today we are creating this Latina girl makeup look. So let's get into the video. First of all, I'm priming my face, and next I'm going to apply foundation with the beauty blender. I always feel like कि आप चाहे ब्रश से फाउंडेशन लगाएं या जिस भी चीज़ से, you have to make sure you go back in with the beauty blender because it really blends the foundation out well. Now the next thing which is very important is brows for the Latina girl inspired makeup look, and I have never made my brows ever because I think they just look fine the way they are. But for this makeup look I'm filling them out and I thought they look really heavy, but we gotta do what we gotta do. And I was really annoyed by this Makhi and I was like, oh my god, I look like a man. And now I'm just carving out my eyebrows and applying concealer all over my eyelids. अच्छी तरह से eyebrows के ऊपर नीचे sides पे अच्छी तरह आपने conceal करना है ताकि वो एकदम define हो जाएं. Then you make sure you go in with the beauty blender to blend out any harsh edges, and then I'm going in with this very light brown transition shade and I'm deepening it one by one. अब थोड़ा सा light tone में brown shade लिया and just look at that Makhi. It won't stop bothering me. उसके बाद आपने अपनी इनर कॉर्नर वाली साइड पे लिड पे आपने कोई लाइट सा शेड लगाना है. वाइट शेड से कर लें ताकि वो प्रोमिनेंट हो जाए. देन मेक श्योर आप ऐसे विंग बनाएं एंड इट शुड बी बोल्ड ताकि ये प्रोमिनेंट हो. फिर एक बिल्कुल पतली सी लाइन से आपने अपने विंग के साथ इसको कनेक्ट कर लेना है. एंड अब मैं दूसरी आंख पे भी इसी तरह से लाइनर लगाऊंगी. नाउ आई एम अप्लाइंग दीज हैवी लैशेस because I feel like Latina girls apply very heavy lashes, thick lashes for their makeup, and this is the complete look for my eyes. और मैंने अपने inner corners पर highlight करने के लिए ये light सा gold shimmery shade लगाया है. Now I'm baking under my eyes because I feel like ये बहुत matte सी look होती है जो वो करते हैं अपने makeup में. Then I'm just contouring my nose and my face. Next I'm going to dust off the powder and from under my eyes and it will look like that. उसके बाद मैंने बहुत light baby pink blush जो है वो अपनी cheeks पे और अपनी nose पे apply किया है. Next I am using this very nude pink lipstick and that is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys like it, and yeah, tell me how you like it. Like the video, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.